Are you an adult that is wanting to progress onto university and higher education to be the nurses, midwives, social workers and allied health professionals of the future? If so, the Access to Higher Education Diploma in Health Science Professions could be the programme for you. Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan Green, Curriculum Team Leader of Health and Science here at Derwent Valley College and also at University Centre Rotherham. I have a background in sport, exercise and health sciences with specialisms in biology, specifically exercise physiology. Basically, this is just a much more academic way of saying I have an interest in how the human body responds and changes as a result of exercise. I also have experience working in the public service for several years as a special police constable for South Yorkshire Police. I lecture on the foundation degree Professional Practice in Health and Social Care, validated through Sheffield Hallam University, as well as facilitate on the Access to Higher Education Diploma in Health Science Professions, which is the programme that I'm going to be talking about today. Due to lengthy qualification titles, let's just lengthen it down to Level 3 Access. So, designed to meet the needs of many leading universities and employers, and designed for adults wanting to return to education, Level 3 Access, otherwise known as Access to Nursing or Access to Health, it's got a variety of names, is a one-year fast-track programme that can provide you with the knowledge, skills and behaviours to progress on to university and study degree-level qualifications, many of which lead on to professional registration. Our programme is fantastic if you have the deep-seated desire and clear ambition of wanting to work in a collaborative team of health professionals, supporting patients and service users within your local community, and want to progress to university itself to become these professionals of the future. We have a proven track record of success, enabling learners to successfully progress on to studying nursing, midwifery, social work and many other different types of allied health professions, such as paramedics, radiotherapists and physiotherapists. You will study a broad and balanced curriculum that is taught by subject specialists in their fields, and we apply learning where appropriate to the real world, developing your use of an evidence-based approach. You'll learn the core subjects of health and science, such as biology, psychology, health and social policy, enabling you to be able to understand how the mind, body and the environments that we live in all have influences on our health, the framework academics call the biopsychosocial model of health. In addition, you'll develop skills to write and present work to an academic and scholarly standard, how to use and evaluate evidence to inform your practice, so dispelling the taint of fake news, as well as developing reflective skills which are integral to a health and social care professional. Our curriculum also extends beyond academia. Through your journey of self-development, you'll also develop key employability skills and personal qualities revolving around professionalism and the values of compassionate practice. And will also help you develop broader skills such as digital literacy, yield safety and fundamental British values. If you've not heard of our qualification before, you're not the only ones. For some reason it's not that well known. Maybe that's a stimulus to get this qualification out there more. Level 3 Access is the equivalent to studying more familiar qualifications such as A-levels or a BTEC Level 3 National Extended Diploma as an example. And these are recognised in the same light. These typically take 2 years to complete and have the right place for the right learner. For example, some universities may demand A-levels. However, our delivery model is much more different and it's condensed down by 50%. And we've successfully delivered a fast-track model that is typically delivered over 2 days per week over just one academic year. This makes it far more accessible and just as achievable for adults, increasing their accessibility to those who may have existing commitments such as work and childcare or both. Due to this fast-track model, independent study is an absolute expectation outside of the classroom. So gone is the notion of homework. For the work that you complete outside of the classroom is going to be your metaphorical ladders to success. And this approach is highly sought after for learners, and as such we're looking for applicants that are diligent, committed and courageous in achieving their aspirations and to above all succeed. And on that thread of success we have a proven track record, and since I started overseeing the programme in 2015, looking at our destination data and reaching out to us past learners, at least 125 learners have successfully progressed onto at least 16 different degree destinations across 14 universities, and our population of our course is only increasing. This year we've got 40 learners graduating. to progress on studying midwifery, nursing, social work and other allied health professions to become the health and social care professionals of the future. And above all, I'm really pleased and proud to say that many of our learners, both past and present, are currently working for the National Health Service and making such an excellent contribution in our national effort in combating COVID-19. As well as this, many of our past learners come back year on year to our online events that we hold for past access learners to come back and speak to our new access learners. And this provides a fantastic networking event, as well as learning hints and tips and exploring the courses and universities that they're ambassadors for. So in closing, if you're an adult who is diligent, committed, courageous and wants to progress on to higher education and university, to become one of the many health and social care professionals of the future and make a difference to our nations and communities, apply now for Level 3 access starting in September. We look forward to receiving your application.